Hey everyone, welcome back to NEX Gens. Rocket. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how to create your own maps using Python. Bullseye. Whether you're a student, developer, or just curious about mapping, this tutorial will show you step by step how to build maps and even plot routes with distances. So, grab your coffee and let's get started. This is day 4 of our 100 Days 100 Python projects. Here's what we'll accomplish today. Keycap 1. Build a map using Python. Keycap 2. Plot routes between two locations. Keycap 3. Calculate distances automatically. We'll be using powerful libraries like Folium, Geopy, and an open-source routing service called OSRM. And don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, even if you're a beginner. Before move on to our project, I will briefly explain about Folium, Geopy, OSRM. Folium is a powerful data visualization library in Python that was built primarily to help people visualize geospatial data. It is a Python wrapper for Leaflet.js, a JavaScript library for plotting interactive maps. With Folium, one can create a map of any location in the world. Folium has a number of built-in tile sets from Mapbox, OpenStreetMap, and Stamen, and also supports custom tile sets. Geopy is a Python client for several popular geocoding web services. Geopy makes it easy for Python developers to locate the coordinates of addresses, cities, countries, and landmarks across the globe using third-party geocoders and other data sources. OSRM stands for Open Source Routing Machine. It is an open-source routing engine that provides fast, accurate, and customizable routing services. First, let's set up our environment. You'll need Python installed. I'm using Python 3.10, but any recent version works. Now, install these 3 libraries using pip install Folium Geopy requests. Done? Great, these libraries will help us. Folium, for creating interactive maps. Geopy, to convert locations into coordinates. Requests, to interact with APIs like OSRM for route data. Now, let's write our script. We'll break it into 3 parts. Keycap 1. Get coordinates for your locations. Keycap 2. Fetch route data. Keycap 3. Visualize the map. Before writing our script, we need 2 files. One is maps.py for Python code and 2 maps.html to display the maps. This script demonstrates how to create a map in Python using the Folium, Geopy, requests, and Polyline libraries. Below is an explanation of each section of the code. Code images will be displayed at the end of the video. Get coordinates for locations. Def get _coordinates, location, get the latitude and longitude of a location. Geolocator equals nominatum, user underscore agent equals map underscore app. Location equals geolocator. Geocode, location, if location, return location. Latitude, location. Longitude else. Raise value error, f, location, not found. Purpose. Converts a location name, like New York, into its geographical coordinates, latitude and longitude. How it works. Uses nominatum from the Geopy library to geocode the location name. If the location is valid, it returns the coordinates as a tuple, latitude, longitude. Raises an error if the location cannot be found. Fetch route data. Def get _route, start _chords, end _chords, get the route and distance using OSRM. URL equals f, http://router.project-osrm.org/route/v1/driving/start _chords 1, start _chords 0, end _chords 1, end _chords 0. Overview equals full. Response equals requests.get URL, if response. Status _code equals 200. Data equals response. JSON, route equals data, routes, 0, geometry, hash encoded polyline distance equals data, routes, 0, distance, 1000 hash convert meters to kilometers return route, distance else. Raise connection error, error fetching route from OSRM. Create and save the map. Def create _map, start _chords, end _chords, route, distance, create and save a map with the route. M equals Folium. Map. Location equals start _chords. Zoom _start equals 12. Hash add markers for start and end locations. Folium. Marker, start _chords, pop-up equals. Start, tooltip equals. Start location. Add _to, m, Folium. Marker, end _chords, pop-up equals. end, tooltip equals, end location, dot add underscore to, m. Hash decode the polyline and add the route to the map decoded underscore route equals polyline. Decode, route, Folium. Polyline, locations equals decoded underscore route, color equals, blue, weight equals 5, dot add underscore to, m. Hash add distance to the map. Folium, marker, start underscore chords, 0, plus end underscore chords, 0, 2, start underscore chords, 1, plus end underscore chords, 1, 2, pop-up equals f. Distance. Distance. 0.2 f, km. Icon equals Folium. Icon, color equals, green, dot add underscore to, m. M. Save, maps, HTML. Print, map saved as, maps, HTML. Purpose. Creates a visual map with the route plotted and saves it as an HTML file. How it works. Initializes a Folium map centered on the starting coordinates. Adds markers for the start and end points. Decodes the polyline using the Polyline library and plots the route on the map using Folium, Polyline. Adds a distance marker in the middle of the route. Saves the map as maps, HTML. Main function, def main, try. Hash input locations start underscore location equals input, enter the start location, end underscore location equals input, enter the destination. Hash get coordinates start underscore chords equals get underscore coordinates, start underscore location, end underscore chords equals get underscore coordinates, end underscore location. Hash calculate route and distance route, distance equals get underscore route, start underscore chords, end underscore chords. Hash create and save the map create underscore map, start underscore chords, end underscore chords, route, distance. Except exception is E. Print, F, error, E. Purpose. Orchestrates the entire workflow. How it works. Prompts the user for start and end locations. Fetches coordinates for both locations using get underscore coordinates. Retrieves the route and distance using get underscore route. Generates the map using create underscore map. Handles errors gracefully with a try except block. Running the script if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals, underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Main ensures that the script runs only when executed directly, not when imported as a module. Key features. Interactive map. The output is an interactive map, saved as maps, HTML, that you can open in any browser. Route visualization. Draws the route between two locations with a blue polyline. Distance calculation. Displays the total distance on the map. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.